Congratulations on taking the decision to upskill yourself in Python. In this Python tutorial on data science, we shall learn from the very basics all the way to the advanced libraries used in machine learning and data science. We shall also build some real life use cases. I'm Saurav Agarwal, you are watching Data Hack, and in this video, we are going to discuss two things to remember in order to make your learning experience smoother and more effective. The very first thing that you need to keep a check on in order to have a smooth and efficient learning experience is on the technical requirements. It is advisable to use a computer, a laptop or a desktop with at least 4 GB RAM and 4 GB of storage. Additionally, have an internet connectivity with good bandwidth so that you do not face challenges when watching the videos and you are able to watch videos in good quality. The other aspect that you need to take into care of is the learning plan. See, this is a self-structured course and the learning plan or the learning roadmap for every individual is his or her decision. However, I am going to provide the lecture overview and the basic idea of what you could follow and in order to make your own learning map. Additionally, how you could enhance or make your learning experience smoother. I would advise you to have a dedicated learning hours of at least 4 hours per week. Okay, have a fixed schedule and dedicate at least 4 hours per week. If you are able to dedicate more, that is completely fine. If you are not able to dedicate it due to certain constraints, try to make it up. If not, go as per your own pace. Okay, other thing is follow the lectures regularly, as in when I put the videos, make sure to watch them out, make sure to make proper notes about it, what you understood, where you are facing challenges, what your doubts are. Attempt the assignments which I provide, attempt the interview questions that I shall provide. If you are facing challenges, make sure to put it down in the comments. Whatever challenges those are, maybe those are very, you might see, those doubts might seem very trivial to you, but if you put them down, then it will help you enhance your skills, enhance your knowledge. We often tend to overlook the small doubts that we have and they build up over due time, right? Make sure to clarify your doubts, right? In every moment, whenever you face doubt, just put it down. Try to Google search. If you're able to find an answer, well and good. If not, put down in the comments. Maybe others might also be having the same doubt, but they are not able to bring it up. Next thing is discuss, right? When I say discuss, whatever your learning experiences are, put it down in the community, put it down in the comment section so that other members learn, other members see your perspective, right? We learn from the perspective of other members and our own understanding enhances. That is one of the best methodologies to run, right? It's not like whatever you're learning, you're just learning from your own perspective. Now if you discuss it with other members in the community, other members who are learning the same, you might seem to find that some things that you might have missed, or some things that other members have been able to catch up, those you will be able to understand very quickly. So these are the two primary things that you need to take into care of in order to have a smooth and efficient learning experience. Now, as I said, I am going to provide you with the lecture overview. This might take a few minutes, so make sure to watch it till the end. Additionally, I shall provide this documentation in our Telegram channel. So if you haven't subscribed there, make sure to subscribe it. I'll provide the link in the description. Let me quickly head over to the broad overview. Now, as you see, if you look at it, I have broadly put down 11 modules for this Python tutorial, right? Of these 11 modules, right, we have two major categories. The one category comprises of basics of Python programming and object oriented approach, which is all about the programming using Python, right, to make you a developer, a Python developer. And the other aspect or the other major category belongs to the libraries for machine learning and data science that will help you build exploratory data analysis, that will help you build machine learning data science solutions using Python. Okay, so let us quickly see what these modules are. So I have already made videos on few of them. I'll provide the links in the description, check them out. Additionally, like for this Python installation and setup, I have already made a video. I would advise you to follow it up and set it up in your machines, right? For the current phase of the tutorial, we shall set up Python using Python ideally and VS Code. And when we look at the libraries of for machine learning and data science, then we shall look at the Anaconda setup. Okay. Then we shall look at basics of programming, the input output, scope, indentation, operators, data types, control flow, functions. One more thing, right? As we pace through this tutorial, as and when if you find certain topics which are interesting, which are useful, and which I have missed or not included, put it down, let me know, provide your suggestions so that we can check and include those as well to bring you a more efficient experience and improvised learning experience. Now, object-oriented approach. Under object-oriented approach, we have class as a blueprint, user-defined classes, encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism. If you already have a programming experience in some other language, say Java, C++, then you would be able to follow the basic constructs behind these quite readily. Only thing that you need to adapt to is the syntax. However, if you are absolutely new to programming, no worries, we are going to learn it from the very basics. We shall also look at some general purpose libraries such as math and random. Then we shall look at the Python libraries for data science. I have already made extensive videos on NumPy, Pandas and Matplotlib. I would advise you to use your time and watch these videos, right? Watch, take a challenge of say completing the NumPy tutorial this week. Take a challenge of completing the Pandas tutorial this week. In this way, you will be able to pace out your learning, right? Evenly pace it out. Don't just keep things for the very end. Say for instance, if you take a learning target of completing one module this month, the next month try to increase that learning pace. Try to take up one module plus one chapter. This way you will enhance your learning. Next, we shall also look at mock interviews, and also throughout the tutorial I will provide you tips and tricks and also interview questions, assignment questions for each of the modules. Attempt those, put it down in the comments wherever you face challenges, wherever you face difficulties, right? We shall also discuss the solutions. And the last module is the productionizing using Python. We shall very broadly discuss how to productionize using Python, API generation, Streamlit. This will help you in an industry level when you go for build actual solutions, right? In industries, whenever you build any solution, you need to share it with other team members. You need to collaborate with your already existing softwares. So this is going to help you in there. Now, I hope you have a broad overview of our lecture, how our tutorial is going to span out in due time. Make your own learning plan, follow it, make a shorter learning plan, say a learning plan of 1 month, and then improvise upon it as you go further. I would not advise you to make the entire learning plan all at once. See your pace, try to improve it by 1% every day or every week. Okay. Hope you have a smooth learning experience and you become an efficient Python developer at the end of this tutorial. See you in the lectures. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Jai Hind.